Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Pile in Political Matters. Thank you very much for coming. Please kindly subscribe, like, and share the video as well. So yeah, man, you guys, as you know, when you come here, it involves a political person, okay, a politician, something like that. So there is a story about Shivambu who is trending. Floyd Shivambu, who is the Secretary General of Mkhonto Sizwe. He is seen there in Malawi during these Easter holidays, having a good time, with a Bushiri, Papa Bushiri. He visited the church called the ECG, Isonto la Bushiri. Okay, now MK Party Secretary General Floyd Shivambu met with the controversial prophet Shepherd Bushiri yesterday in Malawi. Siyabona nje, there's that picture. They are sitting there, even posing for pictures. And MK Party SG Floyd Shivambu attended Easter church service at controversial prophet Shepherd Bushiri's church there in Malawi. There's a video. The problem, that video sounds like there's music for me to play it, but I'll see if I can play it or not, right? Because when it comes to music, guys, then we get copyrighted, right? So yeah, man, you guys, so Shivambu is there. South Africans are not happy, some of them, not everybody, but people in Malawi are happy for having that particular prominent person, Floyd Shivambu. But some people here are like, how when just yesterday Ndlozi was there pointing out to hey, there's another person who must come back home in South Africa there and answer for his actions. Where now we are now there like sitting like that grand entrance, Ibileli Bushiri, and all that particular like important visit her, Floyd Shivambu. People are like, how? Is he a member, or he's just doing this to get back at Ndlozi, or what is happening? Because Ndlozi was there saying, hey, we want to, guys, did I play? I haven't played that particular video of Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. He was doing the lecture thing there in Malawi. Just last week, is this 7 days ago or 6 days ago, Ndlozi was there in Malawi, Bafetu. He gave the speech about Bushiri, even if he didn't name any name, saying there's someone who's wanted in South Africa. Let us watch that video.
There is someone here in Malawi who is wanted in South Africa. I'm going to ask the minister to help me go past that house of that person and just tell him there are questions for you there in South Africa that you must come answer. Whether you are a pastor or a politician, you don't have the right to steal from the poor. Not in the name of God, not in the name of our people.
Then now, a few days after that, Shivambu goes there to be a whole visitor on that Pastor Bushiri's church. People are like, what is happening? Is Shivambu trying to prove a point to Ndlozi ukuthi wena you were not supposed to be talking about Papa there, or mhlambe like did Bushiri say Shivambu, maybe they have a relationship with Shivambu Bushiri? I'm just saying, maybe, just thinking out loud. And then he invited him, knowing very well ukuthi izofikisha kaNdlozi. Oh, Shivambu's hambele nje, what, you know what, after that thing that Ndlozi just said about Bushiri and mina kinale relationship li Bushiri, listen, I'm gonna just go there for church. Sibona ukuthi mina like what is this one? They are both ex or former members of the EFF, Mbuyiseni Ndlozi and Floyd Shivambu. Floyd Shivambu is got MK Party. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is now working on radio. So he was like, someone wanted there back home, he must come. I wanna go past his house, you know what I mean? And then this one was there in that particular house that Ndlozi was talking about. He's having tea with Bushiri, baphuza amati nje laphana kumnandi, and there is a Easter church service there, and he is a very, very important visitor. It's just a whole lot, Buffett. So now, on the story, they are saying confusion as Floyd Shivambu praises Bushiri days after Ndlozi criticizes him in Malawi. A swirl of confusion and speculation has gripped political observers and social media users after two prominent South African politicians and close allies appeared to send mixed messages about controversial Shepherd Bushiri during separate appearances in Malawi this month. On the April 12th, Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, who is the former EFF member and radio presenter now, delivered a hard-hitting public lecture at the University of Malawi under the theme People Over Politics. Undlozi questioned the ethics of religious figures accumulating wealth while facing a serious allegation, stating pointedly, now there is someone in this country who is wanted in South Africa, something that I just said. Okay, so without naming the names though, the audience and wider public quickly interfered. In fact, he was referring to Prophet Bushiri, who fled South Africa in 2020 while out on bail, so for fraud and money laundering. So Ndlozi's message was clear: no one, whether a pastor or a politician, should enrich themselves at the expense of the poor. You heard that from the clip Ndlozi. But just 6 days later, now on the 18th of April, on Good Friday, Secretary General of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party and long-time associate of Ndlozi attended an Easter service at Bushiri's Enlightened Christian Gathering ECG Church in Lilongwe, Malawi. Now seated in the VIP section and warmly greeted by Bushiri himself, Shivambu's presence at the service raised eyebrows and prompted a flurry of questions. During the service, Bushiri made no mention of the recent criticism, instead praising Shivambu for honoring the spiritual leadership of the continent and for standing with the church in these challenging times. I think when I played that clip, it sounded like there's music in it, so I'm not gonna be playing. I can just mute it, maybe in Chumaluka Bushiri. I can just mute it and throw it here, but I can't. I felt like it has music. I'll double check again. If it doesn't have music, then I might put it in the beginning so that we get to hear what he said about Shivambu. Like he was a special guest there, Gary. So he was, yeah. Imagine kuze Ndlozi wabasendaweni thize and just spoke about Bushiri, even if he didn't name any names, okay, but he was talking about Bushiri anyway. He spoke like that, and then come Shivambu and he's a special guest. He received like a very special treatment, and that grand entrance li Bushiri kokerekeng and the whole thing engathi vele like they are doing it like to get back at Ndlozi ukuthi manje that particular friendship, whatever partnership or situationship izoshala pana kuNdlozi. I do not know, I'm just saying. I mean, come on, okay? So the optics were jarring. On the other hand, Ndlozi was calling for accountability and cautioning against exploitation in the name of religion. On the other hand, Shivambu appeared to be offering tacit, if not overt, endorsement of the same figure under fire. Neither Shivambu nor Ndlozi have publicly commented about this particular thing on each other's actions. The silence has only deepened the sense of confusion. There, abantu bona, people are saying mwah, mwah, mwah. When I go through the comment sections about this Shivambu guy, someone even said he's been moving his weight lately. I'm like, how did he move? Like, come on. He just went to church. What can we say about it? Because we don't tell people which churches to attend. So when it comes to this one, Shivambu preferred to go to Malawi, to Papa Bushiri, and people are not happy here in South Africa. In Malawi, people are happy. Like, wow, there is the Secretary General of Umkhonto weSizwe. It's a big thing, obviously. Even those who are in South Africa and they're in love of Bushiri, Mhlambe, in support of Bushiri, they are now in support of Shivambu, saying, wow, men of God, I love you, Shivambu. I even saw some of the comments, people saying, I will now come to MK party. Wow, Shivambu now give men of God. There's just a whole lot, but yo kuningi ke bafethu ukuthi how this one just Ndlozi sathi when I come back to South Africa and answer for your actions, this one is going there to chomarize like khona kwenzakala nokwasho iculo lika Makhadzino lokungana yo ngata there. But anyways, I did not know, guys. It doesn't comment section. Like the video, subscribe, share. Let's meet again in my next one. Bye.